everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm using that term very loosely, tried to make Nigerian Egusi soup. Okay, I'm making chicken in mine. I'm not a fan of pomo and all those other meats I see them using on YouTube, but I'm gonna use chicken because that's what I like. Anyways, so here I'm just cubing my chicken breast. I'm using about 2 chicken breasts. I'm gonna cube them, wash them with some vinegar and or lemon juice. You could use lemon juice as well, or lime juice or vinegar, whatever, and give it a good wash with some cool water, and then I could start cooking it. As usual, I speed up my videos so that I won't bore you guys, but I literally thought my video was in focus, but it's not. I guess this is the only part that was like that, but anyways, I have blended some onions and a little bit of water, and I'm going to make a marinade with that, and going to add some bouillon cubes. I mean, these bouillon cubes are pretty small, but they pack a lot of flavor. I think I used too much in this recipe, but lesson learned. But anyways, I use about a few of them. I'm not going to tell you how much because I don't remember. So I use a few of them, and it is really flavorful. Okay. So I'm gonna let that marinate for maybe a couple of hours, and then I'm going to add all of that to my pot and let my chicken cook. Okay. I also added a little bit of salt. I maybe shouldn't have done that because of those bouillon cubes, but like I said, lesson learned. This was my first time making it, and I think I did a good job. Let me know what you think. If there are any Nigerians in my subscription or you come across this page, just let me know how I did with this recipe, okay? So now that my chicken is cooked, I am just putting it in a strainer just to let the excess water drain off. I'm not going to throw away my broth. I'm going to use that in the recipe. So here I have some egusi. I have some crayfish, and I also use some red chili flakes just to give it a little spice, not too much. My egusi is already blended, it's already grounded, about the grounded one, and my crayfish is also grounded, so I didn't have to do all of that. But my flakes was not, so I just added that together and just pulse that together with maybe like a quarter to half a cup of water, I think, just to make it into like a paste. So yeah, I've been watching a few videos on how to do this and stuff like that, and I don't know, maybe I did good, I didn't do good, I don't know, I don't really know. But anyways, I'm using like a half a cup of palm oil. So I know some people use like 1 cup and whatever, but I'm not used to this oil. This is the first time I'm using this oil, so I don't want to overdo it, so I just use half a cup because, you know. And then I put like maybe like a half a cup of onions into that to fry up. Isn't that pretty though? That color, I love it. So I'm just gonna let that fry up for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add my egusi paste and fry that up as well. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm BB, and thank you so much for joining us today. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for staying with me and watching my videos. Please do like, share, and if you're new, please do subscribe and like and share as well. Show me some love. Okay. Anyway, so now I'm adding my egusi, and I'm just going to stir that up together to fry it up a little bit. Yeah, I heard that if you don't cook this very well, it will upset your stomach, so it didn't do mine, it didn't mess with mine, so I think I did cook it really good. So by the way, if you have not known before, I am Jamaican and I do love to try different foods of different cultures. So if there's something that you would like me to try to make and try it, then let me know in the description box below. Also, I won't be putting this recipe in the description box below because this is not my recipe. I got this from another YouTuber. I'm so sorry, I forgot who she was, but I got it from another YouTuber. Shout out to her, if you know. But it is what it is. I can't remember her name. Sorry, but yeah, I got it from another YouTuber, and I didn't follow the recipe to the T, to be honest, because she did put some red peppers in her stuff, and I didn't do that. I couldn't find that, so you know. But here I just added my chicken and I stirred it. I turned my heat down because I don't want it to burn. And then I kept doing that until I felt that it was safe enough to add my liquid. But yeah. By the way, shout out to Davisol African, Caribbean and Tropical Foods grocery store that's located at 351 Nash Avenue Road, Unit 7. The lady there, she helped me with some of the ingredients in this recipe, especially the bouillon. She gave those to me. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's a nice place to go, and they have the best agege bread. Okay, so if you are in the Hamilton area, please go and check them out. Okay. Alright, so now I add my broth that was from my chicken, and I'm just gonna let that cook for a little bit, and then I'm tasting it to see if I needed any salt. And I didn't need any. I think I put a little bit too much, but you know what I mean. Anyways, now I added my spinach. I used the frozen spinach in here, and I mean, it's okay to use, but my mistake was I used the one that is full leaf ones instead of the chopped ones. That was my only mistake with this one. At least, you know, it would be easier to eat, but when I was trying to eat it, it was like a big whole piece of spinach. I don't mind spinach, but it was just too much. I should have used the chopped one instead, but like I said, it is what it is. But anyways, I'm gonna cook that for a little bit more, and that was it. And here is the finished product. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe.